This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox while live on Zepeto. First, you'll need to gather your essential tools. Download and install OBS Studio, a popular and free broadcasting software, onto your computer. Next, acquire the Zepeto Live PC program directly from the Zepeto Studio website. Remember, your Zepeto account must have a minimum of 100 followers to unlock the live streaming capability. These initial steps are crucial for a successful setup. Now, let's integrate your platforms. Open both OBS Studio and the Zepeto Live PC program. Within OBS, add a new window capture source and choose the Zepeto Live window. Carefully crop this source to display only your Zepeto avatar, as broadcasting extra screen parts may lead to penalties. Then, add another window capture or game capture source, selecting your active Roblox game window. This layers your avatar over your gameplay. With your sources set, it's time to go live. In the Zepeto Live PC program, find and copy your unique server URL and stream key. These are vital for connecting your broadcast. Next, open OBS Studio's settings, go to the Stream tab, and select Custom as your service. Paste the server URL and stream key into their designated boxes. Once these details are entered, click Start Streaming in OBS to launch your live broadcast to your Zepeto audience. To enhance your stream, check OBS's audio mixer to ensure sound from both Zepeto and Roblox is audible. Consider using OBS's chroma key feature with a green Zepeto background to seamlessly overlay your avatar onto your game. Actively engage with your audience by monitoring chat messages on the Zepeto Live PC program. Finally, a strong and stable internet connection is paramount for delivering a high-quality, uninterrupted live experience to your viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.